and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, your girl got a new unit. So this unit is actually a synthetic wig. Yes, it doesn't really look synthetic though, but yeah, it's a synthetic wig and it's from the company ReadyWigs. So they sent over this wig a few weeks ago, and I'm finally getting around to doing the review. I'll just tell you guys what the wig came with inside the box. So it came with like this information card and how to take care of the hair. Since it's synthetic wig, this is actually a good idea to have in it. And in the back of the card, it has their social media information. So yeah, I'll leave all this information down below as well. It also comes with this water spray bottle. This is gonna come in handy actually. I use this a lot. And then it also comes with this flower clip thing, and then it comes with the hair net. I have a bunch of these. I never really used them, but yeah, these, and that's just what comes in there. I first opened the hair. I noticed that the part wasn't really as plucked, so I plucked it a little bit more. I barely did any plucking actually, but I did pluck some, and I put my my MAC finish powder on the lace just to make it blend better with my skin tone. And I also cut off the lace. There was lace all around the perimeter right here. The only place where you can really part was the middle, and it just came pre-parted already as well. So the construction of this wig, it's actually big head friendly. Like the wig is actually a bit big, you guys. Like my head is big, but it's not as big, so I can actually just, it's not tight at all. I could pull the back right now, very open, so it's big head friendly. That is a big plus. Like it's a big plus. Most synthetic wigs can be real tight, you guys, can be real tight, but this wig actually fits. It's not snug because it's big head friendly, and my head is really not that big. It's big, but it's not that big. But yeah, and it has two combs in the front, like around this area right here, and one comb in the back. I do not utilize my combs. I really don't use them. I don't use my combs, but just to let y'all know, there's two combs here and one comb in the back. And for the length of this hair, it's pretty long actually. It goes all the way down to the middle of my back, as you guys can see. Can't even show y'all all the way through in the camera, but yeah, the hair is long, and since it's synthetic, it's probably gonna start like getting tangly soon, but right now it's not. And I've had this for like 2 days now. Like I've had it on for 2 days. It hasn't really been tangling. As you can see, I'm putting my fingers through it pretty easily, and to have long synthetic hair like this, it's kind of hard to put your fingers through it easily, okay? But anyway, I haven't gotten any tangles yet. The hair is super soft. It's actually so gorgeous for synthetic hair, okay? Like synthetic hair, yes, you get nice synthetic hair out there, but I really haven't come across a synthetic wig this nice yet, okay? And I've reviewed some synthetic wigs on my channel before. But anyway, I will leave the link to this wig down in my description box if you want to purchase it. I will also leave a code. I believe they left me a code as well, so I will leave all of that down in the description box. Make sure you check them out. This wig was pretty affordable. If you're in need of like a really popping wig, like a really popping synthetic wig, but you don't want to spend money on it, this wig is cute, okay? It's cute, like what? And as you can see, like the ombre color fades so nice into each other. Let me just, you know, I know y'all see that, like the ombre looks real blended, you know, it looks real blended, and it's like that throughout the entire wig. Yeah, make sure you check out this this company. I'll leave all the information down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.
Then we go pray with the plastic structure. Going to the jeweler, but the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.